What up? What up? It's your man Jimmy Chan. Hey, I am going to show you how to use OneDrive. So, I know I've done this video before, but not this way. It was me sharing. So this is just a screen record on my phone. So first of all, what I did was I laid a black T-shirt on the counter, okay? Because it's non-reflective, so it kind of helps with the scanning. All right, so this should help you. I know on this, it looks gray, but it's really not gray. Well, it looks dark gray, but this is a very old Apple t-shirt that I used to have when I was working for Apple. So what I'm going to do is transition you over to OneDrive. All right, so I'm going to do a scan of the college algebra 1105 lab work 2. All right, so first of all, on the very bottom, click on the camera. All right, on the camera, after you got the camera, on the very bottom it says document. Okay, so make sure the document is highlighted, not the business card or the photo. Okay, or the whiteboard. Make sure it's document. Okay, when it's under document, it's saying, hey, I'm actually scanning a document. So this is probably going to be 8.5 by 11. Okay, which is what a traditional document would be. So I'm just going to move out of the way. You see that little blue box is trying to box in your document there. All right, I try to stay out of the way. I try not to be on top, so that you see like my hand and being in the shadows and stuff like that, right? So just be careful of what you're doing here. So I usually step out of the way. It's okay to scan in the angle here, because what will happen is when I hit the button, it will give you the border around it. So if you notice the very top, there's a little bit black there. I'm just going to leave it for now. I'm just going to hit confirm. All right, there's that one. So I have more pages. So what do I do? Well, the bottom left-hand corner says add. So I'm going to hit add. And there it goes. Move out of the way so my shadow doesn't get in the way. And I want to hit button. And there it goes. I'm going to hit confirm. The box looks pretty good. Same thing here. Get out of the way. And boom. And there goes that white box again. Looks pretty good. Goes to the next page. And notice that it doesn't really take that long to do. So I'm going to hit that box again. Boom. There it goes. Confirm. Uh-oh. I don't have that. Wait a minute. Notice I haven't been hitting add, have I? Confirm. But notice that in the blue circle there, it keeps on adding up. So that's the 5th page. And I didn't even have to even hit add. I didn't even notice that. That kind of got away from me. So there it goes. So let's hit confirm. And now I'm going to hit that blue arrow, right? Because that was my last scan. So I'm going to hit that blue arrow. And there are my scans right there. Okay. Notice that it's all very different. So I click here. I can hit crop. And it will show me here. Let's say I want to just bring the top down a little bit. Bring this corner. No. Now notice this corner here. That when I hold on to it, see what happens? That white corner box there, I can see where it is. I'm just going to come down a little bit, and I'm going to hit confirm. All right, maybe I'll try to hit some filters here. Now, you can do the filter however you guys want to. What would look better? Lightened, whiteboard, black and white, grayscale. Looks like the whiteboard looks pretty good, doesn't it? Because this looks like the top right corner just blanks out. The whiteboard looks pretty good. Okay, let's go with that. Let's look at this one. Let's crop this a little bit. The very top, bring that top down a little bit, because that top is not really necessary. Let's look at the bottom right-hand corner. Same thing. I'm going to bring it in a little bit. Hit confirm. Let's throw a filter on that whiteboard again. Looks pretty good. Okay. Hit the down arrow so that it goes away. so I can swipe over, crop. Again, the top down a little bit. There you go. Confirm. Not too shabby. I don't want the crop. I want to filter. Let's try that whiteboard. Ooh, it looks pretty good with the whiteboard, huh? Okay, arrow down. Swipe. Crop. Top down a little bit. That top right hand corner, bring it in a little bit. And that looks pretty good. Confirm. Filter. Whiteboard. I like that whiteboard feature, I tell you. And I don't know if it's the same as the whiteboard feature in the front when I say document. Crop. Side. Let's see what this arrow thing is. Whoa, that's not what I want. Hit that again. There we go. It's like, okay, expand the box as far as you can. Let's see what happens. All right, hit confirm. And let's hit filter again. Whiteboard. Arrow down. Swipe over. Crop. All right. There we go. Everything else looks pretty good. All right. Filter. Whiteboard. Arrow down. Because usually it's going to pick the best filter it thinks is taking at the moment. Okay. And at the moment now, as I'm going, I chose all whiteboard because it seems like it looks pretty good. Now, notice how I can zoom in here, right? I want to zoom in to see, hey, how does it look, right? And if you watch my other two videos about scanners, one was about Genius Scan and one was about Cam Scanner, I told you guys, I would say to zoom in to see if it looks good, number one. Number two, this is my first draft, guys. This is my first draft. That means your second draft should look better than this, okay? Because you guys are looking at the lab work answer key and saying, oh, you know, he has no ability. He's using his iPad. He can erase when he wants to. He can move everything if he wants to, right? Well, guess what? I'm not moving anything, okay? This is actually written in a notebook and with a black pen and a red pen. That's what I did, okay? So when you hit done, I can go, okay, save as. I'm going to call this lab work 2 Chan, okay? So I'm going to hit the check mark. All right, that was save it. However, if you, let me see, lab work. I just said lab work, didn't I? I did. I just named it lab work. So let's go to lab work. Lab work 2 Chan. So when I click on it, if I hit the kebab on the top right hand corner, which is those 3 dots, if I hit those 3 dots, I have an option to share. So if I hit share, let me see what choices I have. Block download. So anyone with a link could see it. So it's only going to send the link. All right. And then I can just send it to myself. Oh, there it is, Professor Chan. And hit send. Okay, so that's one way. And I think that's the only way. But you could try to open this in another app. So you can airdrop it to your computer if you want to. You can throw it into... I wonder if you could go into students' assignment. Ooh, look at this. I don't know if this will work. Oh, because I was in the wrong college algebra. Let's see if I can do it here. Let's see if I can pick assignments. Lab work 3. Nope, that's not what I wanted. So I guess I couldn't do it that way. I can try. If I have Dropbox, I can save it there, right? I have OneDrive. It's already saved there in OneDrive. So, or I can just send it to my Outlook. Ooh, this will send it as a PDF. So maybe this would be a better thing to do. right? Hit that and it hits send. Send anyways, and there it goes. Okay, so again, it is the kebab to another app and then to Outlook. And that will attach that PDF to your email. All right, and then you can go on your email and go ahead from there and upload, download the PDF and then upload it to Canvas. All right, if you have any questions, let me know. Talk to you later. See ya. Bye.